All right, guys, we're going to just go over this equation of a circle cardinal book assignment and just kind of talk about it a little bit. Um, some of these problems, well, let's talk about this first one, okay? This is just kind of a range. We've talked about graphing, we've talked about writing the equation, but now we're just going to take it and try to use it in a variety of different settings. So in this case, this first one asks, what's the coordinate of the center of the circle? Okay, so we're going to use what we know is the standard equation of a circle, know what our center is, what our radius is. Okay, so that one should be pretty easy. Notice number 2 here, we've got the diameter of a circle with endpoints of 7, 6 and 7, negative 4. What's the equation of a circle? So we've talked about this in a previous video a little bit. Think about where your center would be, probably the midpoint, and try to find your radius. But we've talked about something like that before. That one should be pretty straightforward. Number 4 is going to be a little bit of a difficult one, okay? So you get the center, and you get a point that lies on the circle, okay? So the first thing you're going to have to do, probably, is take a look at what's your radius. You're going to have to solve for your radius. So you can think about what the distance is between those points. That would be kind of a hint. Find what your radius is. Once you do that, well, that's all you actually have to do. So that finds the radius of the circle. If you're looking for a point that lies on a circle, remember that points should satisfy the equation. If I plug those points in, I should find that the equation holds to be true. If it does not hold to be true, that means the points do not rest on the circle. Okay. That one should be not bad. Notice this one. Just be careful of the wording in here. Okay. Look at which word they're asking for. That might be helpful. And then this last couple are pretty straightforward. So number 9 might be the hardest one. Okay, notice you have, be careful of which one of these two is the center. Okay, you are going to have to solve for the radius, plug it in, find the equation. But I think that's all stuff that you're able to do. So this is kind of, we don't really have a quiz on this part. This is kind of a review assignment. You can take it multiple times if you're finding that you're making mistakes. But do a good job and see if this should help kind of solidify our knowledge on equation of a circle.